I've got half a cup of sour cream that I'm going to be combining with 1 whole cup of Thousand Island dressing. I'll be adding 1 drained and rinsed can of sauerkraut. Give this a really good mix. The next thing we're going to do is prep our corned beef. Once we have this all broken up, we're going to go ahead and assemble our casserole. We're starting with 6 slices of dark rye bread. This goes in the bottom of a well-oiled baking dish. Take half of that corned beef, and that's going to go right on top. And on top of that, we're adding our sauerkraut Thousand Island mix. And we're topping that with sliced Swiss cheese. And then we're just going to repeat the process. Another 6 slices of the rye bread, corned beef, another layer of our sauerkraut Thousand Island mix, and our final 6 layers of Swiss cheese. And this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour, just to make sure that all the cheese is melted. Doesn't this look amazing? All the cheese has gotten so bubbly. Ooh, yeah. Look, this looks so good. So good.